Hello, my beautiful people. Now, welcome back home. My beautiful people, matter the hot oh, they say wahala no they finish. Hey, wahala they like bicycle. Wahala they like all kind matter. Una know how it dey. It hurts my chest. This matter they hot. Una see this particular girl wear pink clothes. This girl wear pink dress. Now actually wolf so where the worship clothes. Now best friend to this girl where they cry to this bride oh. Now best friend to this bride where they cry so it dey jogodo with the girl in man. It dey jogodo every day. Say the girl don't can know am. Now for wedding day my people. As soon as they see am way this particular girl they cry so say no do again. The bride they talk say no do again my sister. Wait this is friend so her best friend way he wear this pink dress so it dey jogodo with him man. But before I want continue my people. I beg if you never subscribe for my channel, like, comment, leave a constructive comment so share the video me plenty people they join the family and make them know the latest gist way e dey for this outside my people. As I begin they talk when I see this girl wear white gown so when a wedding day now for her wedding day a day where supposed to be happiest day of life or one of the happiest day, a day where she supposed to enjoy, a day where she supposed to come out from Miss to Mrs. Oh my people. Now way she don't can discover this kind painful matter so as soon as the year. When I see how she dey grief, when I see how she dey cry, when I see how she dey in pain, she say she not fit do again. Say this marriage no go hold. She dey cancel the wedding because of this woman where he wear pink dress. She say she know they do again. It done too much. She dey cry. She say she pain. This her friends so don't hurt her. When I see this girl in pink dress, she get the mind to the sleep with her best friend man. She dey sleep, she dey jogodo with her master, she dey jogodo with her man. Something that one way don't come now for outside so way. This girl don't can know am for her wedding day. Now she say she not do again. My people, wait till this girl where he wear pink dress so he do it fine. Wait till this girl so where he wear pink dress where he fine my people. Wait till not think say actually this if you push this girl for do this kind of thing. It's not easy. I don't know what it happen. I don't know what they do people for this outside. You go say person na your friend. You go say person na your 90 minutes man. You go talk say this person na your best friend for that matter. They carry best the other on top friendship. They don't know say you the go jogodo that girl for back. Imagine maybe how many times this girl so the bride so don't cry for you say hey it didn't say my husband the cheato. It didn't say my husband the jogodo with another person for outside. And I know if you imagine how this particular girl dressed in pink begin to tell this girl say my sister leave him, no worry, he know they do anything, he know they cheat on you, he know they una feel imagine how he don't they console him. And una feel imagine how that the bride thinks say he be friend with this girl for pink, say he consider her best friend. Only for her discover for her wedding day say this her best friend so they jogodo with her husband. My people, what a painful thing, what a painful deceit. Oh now which cannot see this now which pain you want absorb. Now the one say na your best friend the jogodo with your man, or now the one say na your man they cheat on you, or now the fact say na for your wedding day now where you take no a day where it's supposed to be your happiest day, a day where it's supposed to be the best day of your life, a day where everybody supposed to know say this girl don't come off for market oh now with this kind of situation. It happen for you. My people. Some people now actually wolves so where they carry sheep clothes they wear them. Me, I get my own point of view for Guillaume. I want to talk for this particular girl where he wear pink so. What do you do your friend so he fine? What do you do your best friend for that matter if fine you think say waiting? Some people they forget say karma they exist. We know this talk with the big people that they talk say if you get problem with person, if you know if he hurt you, he see your picking, he go hurt them. He see your fowl, he go hurt them. He see your chicken, he go hurt them. He see your animal, your goat, he go hurt them. Now what this girl not think that say karma they so karma go must actually prevail. Whether your karma can't touch na ye the girl wear dress pink dress or na he picking there for future. Yes, some of us would they act some kind act tomorrow when we done there for marriage house our marriage not the work situations that they pop up. You they ask yourself why me? Why can I not give birth to my own child? Or why be say my master the only jogodo for outside? Why know the jogodo no they should know one place? Why not be only for me one? When a situation they like this, it don't pop them. When would they act carry out some actions, they will supposed to know say actually e get consequences them wey we get for carry am to when e come. I want talk to for the fiancé or the husband. You where you stand, you the jogodo two friends, people they consider themselves as best friends. So you be man or now that's kind of situation where you dey tell yourself say I be man. You dey go jogodo for all sides. You dey go jogodo the bride best friend. You come back and sleep for corner ye. You dey go jogodo another person come back and sleep. How you dey feel when you dey look the girl so you dey go jogodo her friend come back and they look her for her eyes. What do you they think, my brother? What do you they think, my people? They may not write for comment section. Wait till Nafi tell this particular man where to do this guy act so. And I want to talk to for the bride, my sister, and even if something they now you don't surely stimulate this kind of thing. We not say situations are for outside. We know as we women would day. When your master buy you phone, you go carry your best friend. Oh, he bought me a phone. When your master buy you perfume, he buy you spray, you go. He bought me this, he bought me that, he bought me this. Even up to the jogodo matter, some of us would go tell our friends how our master sabi jogodo. We go tell our friends how our master jogodo machine dey fine, dey come up pure water. We know how it dey now. We go talk this one, talk everything we not supposed to talk. You go tell your friends when your master jogodo you so na show you the shiver for bed. What you expect the friend to go and go test him. The friend to go and go know how jogodo dey when the person is shake for bed, how it dey. So my sister, just calm down. Maybe now you two don't over talk for this friend. My people. The thing they pain me, See how the girl they uncomfortable, How this kind of friend Sophie actually do this kind of thing for her friend. Then she call herself best friend. And when I see how she did now, she they make like person where they regret her action. Nobody she they regret her action so now because her nyash don't show for outside. She they behave so they beg, they cry now because her nyash don't show for outside, my people. If her nyash no be don't show for outside, when I sure say she for the beg this her friend. When I should say she for don't come tell her friends, say, see you, I dey sleep with your husband, no, I beg forgive me. Now so people go live so actually because of envy. They carry do what they not supposed to, my people. That thing don't pain me, It don't pain me when I see how this our girl be on that is she not they console herself, she not feel whole lamb. Yes, I suppose to play with the Monday. But my people, anyways, as the matter they so now say my cut and bring her for una. Me una listen the matter see the hot they go. I beg I go leave una the video. Me una hear how they ask that girl for pink why he can't do that kind of thing. How if you do that kind of thing for a friend or my people. But I go now. If you there here, you know why subscribe for my channel, my people. Wait till you do wait for subscribe. Like, share, leave comments, and I go see you now after. Bye.
Why you must sleep with your friend, husband?